Right, I need to show you how to do the testing with the pico. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to video the testing on the board and then show you what to do on the computer screen afterwards. So when you're doing your testing on the board, you need to have connected your pico up so that you've got the yellow connector onto input A, red connector onto input B. I'm using the yellow connector for this particular task. And you've got your negative rail connector and your probe. Negative rail connector should be permanently connected to the negative rail. Now, to make this a bit easier, I've literally stripped a piece of single coil wire, I've poked it into the negative rail, and then I can use the crocodile clip and I can clip onto that. So that is now permanently connected to the negative rail. I need to test each block. So once again, I've got another piece of stripped single coil wire that I can put in where I want to do my testing. First thing I'm going to do is test the battery. So I'm going to put this into the battery rail, connect it on. Now you can't see this because I can't get this screen and the computer screen up at the same time. It's too small. But now my computer screen is showing that I've got 9 volts running through the circuit. So I would then do a print screen, put that into my document, take my probe out. The next thing I need to do is prove that the battery is working. So I would connect, the switch is working. So I'd connect my positive probe into the switch rail and then connect the switch. Whoops, that slipped off. Connect the switch, and my switch should now show, other than the fact everything's now turning on, my switch now shows that I've got gone from 0 volts to 9 volts where the switch is. So my next thing that I need to test is I need to test my LDRs are working. So I need to put my probe at the top of the variable resistor, and then for that I then need to be covering and uncovering the LDR. Then I need to save the file, stop the file on pico, copy and paste it. And I need to do that for every section of the board. We're basically looking at getting the voltage readings, input and output of each system block that we are using.